When selecting software for a business, understanding the differences between custom solutions and ready-made options is essential. Custom software is tailored to meet the unique requirements of a specific organization, offering flexibility and scalability. In contrast, ready-made solutions are pre-built and designed for general use, often providing quicker implementation and lower initial costs. The choice between these approaches can significantly impact efficiency, adaptability, and long-term growth. Carefully considering the specific needs and goals of a business is crucial to making the right decision. Off-the-shelf tools are often designed to serve a broad range of users, which can lead to significant limitations for businesses with unique needs. These generic solutions may lack the flexibility required to integrate with existing workflows or to accommodate specialized processes. As a result, organizations can encounter challenges such as limited customization options, scalability issues, and difficulties in adapting to evolving industry standards. Furthermore, reliance on standard features may hinder innovation and restrict the ability to address complex problems effectively. Recognizing these shortcomings is essential for businesses seeking solutions that truly align with their operational goals. Custom software offers significant advantages for businesses with specialized needs. By providing tailored features, it ensures that every aspect of the solution aligns with specific workflows and objectives. Scalability is another key benefit, allowing organizations to adapt and grow without being constrained by generic limitations. Over time, custom software delivers lasting value by supporting evolving requirements and reducing the need for frequent replacements. For companies seeking a competitive edge, investing in a bespoke solution can lead to greater efficiency and sustained success. When deciding whether to invest in custom software, it's important to weigh several key factors. Cost is often a primary consideration, as custom solutions typically require a larger upfront investment compared to off-the-shelf products. However, custom software offers greater flexibility, allowing you to tailor features to your specific business needs and workflows. Additionally, consider your organization's future growth. Custom software can be designed to scale and adapt as your business evolves, potentially saving costs and complications down the line. Evaluating these aspects will help determine if a custom solution aligns with your long-term goals and operational requirements.